everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. And look what we have here today. Come here. Come here. Come here. So we got my baby today. He got a haircut today. Ow, my hair. My baby. My sweet baby. He's so cute. Look at him. He is so cute. Look at the camera. Look at you. Hi, my baby. Alright. Mommy has to fit. Alright, go. Go play with your toys. Okay. So, welcome back. Alright, so in today's video, look where I went to. Hi. Alright, so let's continue with the video. Bless you. Bless you. Don't start today. I'm filming. I should have left you home. No. No. Go. Go get your tool. Alright. Alright, you guys. So, obviously, today's video is going to be using full face using only Dollar Tree products. But I'm going to have to break some rules in this video because you guys, this Dollar Tree just opened up not too long ago, probably like 2 weeks ago. Probably 2 weeks ago, and I went to go by to see what they had, just to buy like little simple makeup, you know, or whatever, what I use on my daily videos and stuff. But in all honesty, I didn't see anything at all. I bought a couple of things, but I expected to have like more things. Like, how can I say this? I know some Dollar Trees have like BB creams and all that other type of stuff, but this Dollar Tree didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what exactly I got. So I got I don't think these lashes will even work, but I got these lashes. These are Wet n Wild lashes. They're not my favorite. They don't look too good. We're gonna put them on anyway. We got a LA Colors lipstick hydrating. We got some Wet n Wild mascara. We got some powder blush. We got a 3-color eyeshadow palette. And we got this liquid makeup. It's a liquid makeup. Flawless looks and skin, help even tone. I don't know if this is my color at all, but we're gonna go with it. So, and then we got some eyeliner and some liquid eyeliner. And last but not least, I got a sponge. So that is pretty much it, what I got. Like I said, they didn't have like a BB cream, no primer, nothing for eyebrows. And like I always do my eyebrows off camera, so my eyebrows are already done. What else? They didn't have contour, they didn't have bronzer, they didn't have none of that stuff. So I may be just using whatever I have here, and maybe using some other brands that didn't come from the Dollar Tree. So let's continue. So first things first, we're gonna go in with the palette. Oh, and this palette contains 3 shades. This is from LA Girl. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so these are the 3 colors in the palette, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up and use it to and the eye look. So, I wonder if they have any names. No, they not have any names. And it comes with this little brush thingy. So I think that's what we are going to use. So first color, I'm gonna use all of these colors actually. So I'm gonna go in with this first one, and then the second one, this one will be third. And this is like more like of a transition color, so let's do it. It's gonna be kind of hard trying to blend this out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use a brush for this. No, that's a big no-no. So, use a brush. Like, you know, from the beginning, it leaves like a white, powdery color, but now it's like going back to my skin tone. Yeah. Doesn't look, doesn't stay at all. So now I'm gonna go in with this darker shade. And you guys, this is not even dark at all. Okay. Like, what in the actual fuck? Like, this is how it looks like. It's supposed to be dark, like giving me like a really, really dark shade, but it's not. It's supposed to be giving me like a dark shade, but it's not. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's supposed to be a shimmer shade. Hopefully it is. Because you know, oh fuck. Okay. Oh, that's, I ain't gonna lie. This is pretty. This showed more than what the other two did. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. I ain't gonna lie. That's pretty. It won't last long though. So that's pretty much it. I don't know if you can see it. I knew that shimmer was gonna go away. Alright, so the shimmer shade didn't do as much. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some eyeliner to this look. Woo! Okay, you guys, so I just applied the I don't know what I'm doing. What? You are not getting that box. I told you you're not getting that box. You gotta wait till later until Poppy comes. Or maybe we'll just do it without him. Okay. Go over there. Alright. So next thing we're gonna go in with is with mascara, and I'm going in with the Wet n Wild mascara. Do I like this eyeliner? No, it's like way too, well, it's not too sticky, but like it roughens up and it starts to like crack. So I'm not liking the eyeliner. Alright, let's go in with some mascara. I don't know about those lashes. Like, I'm kind of scared to apply those lashes because I don't know if they are going to stay. I don't know if they are good enough. I don't know. I don't know anything. So, I'm kind of scared to apply these lashes on. So, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lashes on. So this is what they look like. Let's put on these. So I suppose. Oh my god. Look how ugly they look. I was talking shit. Okay, so let's put these on. I'm scared to put these on because I don't know what to do. 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 Does the glue even work? Yo, these look like, these look like spider legs. Oh my god, those are ugly. What is that for? Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the face. I swear to God, I hate this lashes. They look like fucking spider legs. I hate them so damn much. Okay, so for moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hello Hydrating Cream Face. Or do I want to put, I'm gonna put this first and then I'm gonna put Apply Sun. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, okay. Okay. And now I'm gonna go in with my favorite, my all-time favorite is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. And the lashes are already coming off. Bang shit. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna go in with the supposedly foundation that is my color because all the rest of the colors were like darker and white. So this is practically the closest thing I got to. So let's do it. And this is from LA Colors. Gotta take a poop Rex. You heard me? So it comes in a little bottle cap, like in a little bottle like this. And just spray some on top. Oh. So, oh, I forgot the sponge. I forgot to get the sponge. I forgot to get the sponge. So this is the sponja, and we're gonna dig into it. Okay. Ooh. Pink. Oh, what can I say? What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? Not the best. It smells funny. I think this is more like of a lighter shade, or I don't know, I kind of see like it is with my skin tone. It does say it does say that it look, I ripped it up. It does say it helps even skin tone. So I guess it does help. So like, if I don't have highlight, I'm not gonna use it, okay? Because it's supposed to be full face, but it's not. And I'm upset because they don't have it. So now I'm gonna go in with this LA colors with this blush, and this is in the peach rose, and watch it not give me nothing. Peachy. Oh god. I'm getting crap. I'm not happy about this. Alright. So I'm gonna go in with LA Girl Hydrating Lipstick, and I'm going to end this video because I wanted full coverage on foundation. It didn't give me full coverage. So let's see how this lipstick is. Ooh, I think I grabbed the wrong color. It's more like a red lipstick. And watch it not be like way, way extremely too red. It's just gonna be like, alright, so that's the lipstick. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the color of the lipstick, but I don't like the lipstick. I like the color, but not the lipstick. Okay, so if that makes any sense. Alright, last but not least, I'm gonna go in with setting spray, which I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray. What can I say? This video was an epic fail. I already have the lashes coming off, like aquí and then acá. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this makeup. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments below, please. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't go buy makeup at Dollar Tree. Bye.